Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is April, and today I'm going to be sharing 15 of my favorite mom hacks. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. Some of these hacks I've come up with myself, and others have been shared with me from other moms. Now let's get on to the video. Hack number 1. Who has the hardest time getting their kids to eat their vegetables? I know I do. Something I like to do is add vegetables to sauces or muffins or oatmeal. I make a really good carrot cake oatmeal. If I add vegetables to sauces, I will usually shred them or puree them, and sometimes I will chop up vegetables super tiny so that they're hard to detect in certain meals. I still like to give my son vegetables in their normal form so that he can get used to seeing them. He still often won't eat them, but at least he's being exposed to them so that he can get used to it. Moving on to hack number 2. When you go to the grocery store, hang on to those plastic produce bags. I like to keep them in my diaper, and I will use them to put wet clothes into or dirty diapers because I've been in situations where I don't have a garbage can around, so I just put the dirty diaper into one of the plastic bags and keep it in my diaper bag until I can find a garbage can. Speaking of diapers, hack number 3 will help you out with those diaper changes. When my son got to the age where he didn't want to stay still for diaper changes, I got so frustrated and it would get so messy sometimes. I would try to give him a toy or some kind of object that he could hold on to, but eventually he would just toss it to the side and then we'd be fighting again. And I eventually started giving him my phone as well with a song playing or something like that. But I didn't want that to become a habit. So what I do now is I memorize my son's favorite books and I will recite them to him when I'm changing his diaper, and most of the time he will stay still and he listens. And sometimes I will also sing songs to him, and that often helps too. Hack number 4 is owning less clothes for your kids. How often do you go through your growing kids' clothes to replace sizes? It can become a real chore to do, especially if you have tons of clothes. It can take a long time to do. I find that just having a few of the basics can make things so much easier. The downside though is that you'll probably have to do more laundry, but I don't really mind doing laundry. Speaking of which, hack number 5 will help you get that laundry folded. My toddler likes to move things around that I've already folded, so I find myself having to do it over and over again. So what I like to do is place him in the laundry basket, and he really loves to sit there and he'll just throw the clothes around, and he's contained so that I can keep folding the clothes that I have somewhere else, and it helps me get the job done. Hack number 6 is getting your child to help with chores as soon as they're able to. I like to leave a dry cloth in random places in my house, and he will come across it sometimes, and then he will start wiping down surfaces, and it keeps him entertained for a while, and it helps a little bit with the dusting. He also likes helping change the laundry, so I will hand him little pieces of wet clothing like socks, and he will toss those in the dryer for me. I'm hoping this will help as he gets older so that he will continue to contribute with the household work. Hack number 7 is something that I've mentioned in my What's in My Diaper Bag video, and that is to keep a lock in your diaper bag. And that helps when I go places like a swimming pool where I need to lock up my things. Hack number 7 is another thing to keep in your diaper bag, and that is a change of clothes for yourself. Usually all I really need to bring with me is a shirt because my son will often sneeze or drool on me, but sometimes I will bring pants as well if I'm going to be out somewhere longer, but I can just leave them in the car. The 9th hack is to help you get ready in the morning. I usually like to get ready for the day in my bedroom, and so I like to keep that space clean and safe for my son to roam around in, and whatever he gets into, I won't have to worry about him so much. I will also keep random things in my room like little boxes or bottles, because for some reason he finds those things really entertaining. Another thing you could do is put your everyday makeup and brushes and a small mirror into a little bin or a bag, and you can bring that into any room that you need to so that you can do your makeup anywhere in the house. The 10th hack is to rotate through your child's toys. My son gets bored of his toys really quickly, so I like to take out different things every day instead of taking out everything that we have, and this way he will feel like he's playing with something new and he will be kept entertained for a little bit longer. Hack number 11 is to make a habit of giving your child their vitamins at the same time every day. For us, this is the morning. We often eat oatmeal for breakfast, so I will put his vitamin D drops into his food or his milk, and this way I am also able to remember to take my vitamins as well. The 12th hack is to use a little wristlet lanyard keychain like this. This thing has been so helpful to me because I am always carrying my son in and out of the car while I'm at the same time lugging a bunch of other things with me, like the diaper bag or groceries or whatever, and so I am less likely to lose or misplace my keys. Hack number 13 is something I haven't tried yet, but I plan to in the future. When your child is old enough to sit in the bathtub unsupported and without constant attention, you can first wash them up, and then while they're playing with their bath toys or whatever, you can take that time to clean the bathroom. So you could clean the sink and the toilet, obviously not the bathtub because it's in use at that time, but also make sure that while you're doing that to pay attention to your child. Moving on to hack number 14, which is to cook breakfast in large batches. I really hate preparing meals first thing in the morning when I'm still feeling really tired, and my toddler often wants a lot of my attention first thing in the morning. As I mentioned earlier, we often eat oatmeal for breakfast, so I will cook it in large batches and then I can store it in the fridge for a few days, and then every morning I will just heat it up quickly. We also do this with pancakes sometimes, so I'll cook a large batch of that and then I can put it in the freezer. Number 15 is the last hack, and that is to keep a list of your go-to meals in your pantry or on your phone. When you are meal planning or can't think of something to cook one day, you can refer to this list. Some of the easy meals on my list include spaghetti, quesadillas, and curry chickpeas. And those are 15 of my favorite mom hacks. I hope you found this video helpful, and now let's help each other out by leaving a comment down below of some of your best mom hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!